Let's be honest, money is stressful right now. Rent feels impossible, groceries go up every week, and most of us still have student loans hanging over our heads. But here's the truth. You don't need to be a financial genius to feel in control of your money. Small changes add up. And today, I'm sharing 10 smart budgeting hacks that will save you cash without making you feel like you're living on ramen noodles. Stick around, because tip number 10 is the one most people skip, and it can save you from major stress. And hey, if you like down-to-earth money hacks that actually work, make sure to hit subscribe to Moneycraft Academy. We post weekly. Tip number 1, the 24-hour rule. You ever scroll Amazon at midnight and almost buy something random? For me, it was $200 headphones. They looked amazing. I almost clicked buy. But I told myself, wait 24 hours. The next day, I realized my old pair still worked fine. That's $200 saved in a single decision. So here's the hack. If it's not essential, wait 24 hours before buying it. 8 out of 10 times, you'll realize you don't need it. Quick challenge. Comment below the last thing you impulse bought. No judgment. We've all been there. Tip number 2, percentages, not dollars. Budgeting feels overwhelming when you think in dollar amounts. Instead, think in percentages. Here's a simple formula. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, or debt payoff. So, if you bring in $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 for needs, $900 for fun, and $600 saved. If you make more or less, the percentages still work. It takes the stress out of budgeting because it adjusts with you. Tip number 3, rent hack. Biggest expense? Rent. It eats 30 to 50% of income. But let's run the numbers. Say you pay $1,800 a month. That's $21,600 a year. Now, if you got a roommate and cut rent to $1,200, that's $14,400 a year. You just freed up $7,200. That's a vacation. That's a big debt payment. That's opportunity. I know moving or sharing space isn't always fun, but it's a game changer for your bank account. Tip number 4, subscription audit. I once realized I was paying for 5 streaming services at the same time. Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music, you name it. Half of them I barely opened. So here's your challenge. Pause this video, open your bank app, and write down every subscription you're paying for. Then, cancel at least one. Or do it rotation style. Netflix 1 month, Disney+ the next. You'll cut your bills in half without missing a thing. Tip number 5, automate your savings. Best hack ever. Don't trust your willpower. Automate it. The second your paycheck lands, set your bank to automatically move a chunk into savings. If you don't see it, you don't spend it. I can't tell you how many people swear by this. A year goes by, and they suddenly have a savings account bigger than they've ever had before. Tip number 6, the grocery flip. Groceries are sneaky. You walk into Target for a few things and walk out $150 lighter. Flip it around. Make a list, stick to it, and meal prep. That alone saves hundreds a month. Want to test your budget skills? Next time you go shopping, try the cash-only challenge. Take out just $100 in cash for the week and leave your cards at home. There's something about physically handing over money that makes you think twice before spending it. Tip number 7, side hustle savings trick. Side hustle money is dangerous because it feels like extra. You drive Uber for a weekend and suddenly blow $200 on a new jacket. But what if instead every dollar went straight to savings or debt payoff? Think about it. Even just $200 a month from side hustles is $2,400 a year. Over 5 years, that's $12,000. That's not extra. That's life-changing money. Tip number 8, separate bank accounts. This one saved me from so many overdrafts. Open 3 accounts, one for bills, one for everyday spending, and one for fun money. When rent comes due, it's already sitting in the bills account. No stress. And your fun money account? That's guilt-free tacos, concerts, or weekend plans. It feels amazing to spend when you know it's already budgeted for. Tip number 9, free first, paid second. Before you drop $50 on a gym membership, try free YouTube workouts. Before paying $8 a month for a budgeting app, use the free versions. The rule is, always start free, then upgrade later if you stick with it. I can't tell you how many times I paid for apps I never opened. Now I test for free first. Saves me so much money. Tip number 10, emergency fund. Not the most exciting tip, but honestly, the most important. Life happens. Tires blow out, phones break, medical bills come up. Even having just $500 in an emergency fund makes all the difference. I had a flat tire once that cost me $250. If I didn't have that money set aside, it would have gone straight to my credit card and haunted me for months. An emergency fund isn't about luxury, it's about peace of mind. So, which tip are you trying this week? Tell me in the comments. I really do read them. Even doing just a few of these could save you thousands a year. That's less stress, more freedom, and more choices. Budgeting isn't about being cheap. It's about buying back your freedom. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Moneycraft Academy for more simple money hacks every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.